Meet reMarkable, the paper tablet. It lets you read, write, and sketch with a paper-like feel. It's powered by a breakthrough technology, the Canvas display. It's the world's fastest digital paper. The Canvas display looks and feels like paper. It delivers fast and precise strokes and has crisp black ink. Now, let's see what reMarkable can do. Reading shows reMarkable at its best. No distractions and a comfortable paper-like surface with no screen glare. Whether it's a book, textbook, or a document from work, most common formats are supported and are easily transferred to the reMarkable by Wi-Fi. Write directly on the page, make notes or highlight, and instantly share your work with others. Sketching on the reMarkable is the only digital sketching experience that actually feels like paper. It offers a paper experience with digital tools, such as an eraser, undo, zoom, brushes, and templates. No more scanning your sketches. All your notes and sketches are synced in real time and instantly made available on all your devices. Use it for days without having to recharge. For a smarter world. reMarkable. Better paper, better thinking.